Hey guys, Barry here for another episode of Epic Shop 101. Today's episode, I will be showing you how to replace a battery on a Mantis King GT. The only tool you're going to need is a 2.5mm Allen key wrench. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove your rubber deck mat. You don't have to remove the whole thing. You're going to have to remove a little bit of tape. As you can see here, it's already been done. Just to get access to your deck screws, there's going to be a total of 14 screws, so 7 on each side. So we'll start with this side here. There's one. It's a good idea to keep them all in a safe place. Maybe you have a little dish. That's what probably would be recommended, so you don't lose any of your deck screws. Number 2. Right, so the left side is now done. We're going to proceed to the right side. So I've got the first 7. So I'm going to flip this up a little bit here to catch this one, the first one, in the front of the right side. All right, so now that we got the deck cover open, you can see your battery right here, this big blue rectangular box. That's your battery. You can pull it up by pulling these wires carefully, just to give you some leverage. All right, so here's your battery, and it's quite simple rather. Okay, so what we have here is 4 cables. You're going to have one cable for each one of your charging ports. So this connects obviously when you charge to the battery. So we're going to disconnect these first, the charging ports. And then you have your connectors for each controller. So we're going to disconnect the controller connectors to the battery. All right, now that we remove these 4 wires, your battery is free. It's as simple as that. You have another battery, and you simply connect it back the exact same way. I guess I can do it right now. Might have a little spark. Okay. Want to make sure you get it correct. Circle. Yeah, this way. Okay, and then charging ports. Okay, your battery's back. Move this back out of the way. Let's get this up here. And then we're going to slide this in. Just be careful because the battery has a lot of the weight of the scooter, so you can see it's teetering here. That's back in. That's it. It's simple as that. That's how you would go about replacing a battery in the sad event that you have to. So here we go. And then we just put that cover back on and we're done. Again, that's the episode of how to replace a battery. Hope this was informative and helpful to you. As you can see, very simple to do it yourself. If you like this video, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Other than that, guys, wishing you an epic day or night. Peace.